Thank you so much, English Boarding School, for your wonderful choreography. Now next we have special song from Dreamy Academy International.